Baby, you like this money? I like money. Oh, me shooting. Ganun sa Davao.
Diretso sa punto, wala duro nga patiyog. Madalong pa ako mismo sa tangkugo mo sa liog. Siguro magpalibog, hindi puro lang paisog. Mayor pa ko kay Jed ganay ang ulo di mabilog. Lutao sa hangin na sugid ganay mo na nga wala katupa. Nga wala nyo pa ginubong ang dugan nyo na nga patay nga huya. May problema sarap. Sa akong kapotodluan ta ka kung paano ka magbuya. Ang problema mo ang tsura mo nga guba. Gwa na ko da.
Universe of people looking for the perfect me. All the world nations looking for the perfect me. Mighty Zulu nation, they have found the perfect me. America, Pepata, I possess the perfect me.
It's a little fusion of metalcore and hardcore sounds. It's a little both.
Like Black Dahlia Murder?
Not really. Probably a little of like metalcore. If you're familiar with like modern rock, something like that.
Metalcore, yeah.
Yeah, metalcore.
Like After You.
Yeah.
Not about original La Paz, but show you fine mouth watering delicacies of Tatoys. The city of what? The city who got the love for your beautiful people. Nades, what's up? 500 heart of the Pia. El City, hometown of Graciano Lopez Haina, the most livable city in Pinas, and owning the humility for such compliments from Plaza Libertad to Gaisano capital. Still merry making for the Dinagan Festival. Ilo, Ilo.